306 is now filed, the state of Texas versus Amanda Michelle Nolan, which is you.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Kibler is here representing the state's attorney, and the probation office is here. There is a first amended motion to revoke probation that was filed December 18th, 2025. What are we going to do today?
Well, Your Honor, I guess the state had offered 15 months of an agreement. I advise just to go ahead and just proceed like if we decide what to do with her. She has had some issues reporting. I think that kind of get out front of the state that she was on, I guess, absconder status at least once or twice. We could just enter pleas and entertain an argument about what to do with her, maybe check her back to. She does have some health issues. She's the court cause.
Who doesn't?
Well, she has, I think she has kidneys.
You're talking about serious.
Kidney cancer.
Yeah, kidney cancer. I think you've had part one of her sample.
Partial birthday.
Well, the point is,
That's why you're in custody, is that right?
but number one, we don't live forever. And sometimes it catches up with us. And early. But what you want to do is, there's not much you can do if our creator or nature has its master plan. Sometimes there's nothing we can do about it. Except what we can do is live our life fully and gracefully and in accordance with the rules. And I'm looking at some medical, it's undated, but it looks, is this something from jail?
What have you had in jail? What percentage you had in jail?
Did they evaluate you in jail?
They did 2 sessions of ultrasound where they found more tumors.
Okay, the jail people?
Yes, sir.
Because this is T and K Health. Does that, and it's from Oklahoma City, but the way it reads, it must be from the jail. They must have, that's who they must hire to do their medical work. Although going to Oklahoma City,
Where were you transferred for the
it's a mobile service. It's a mobile
Yeah,
service.
TK
Oh, they go from one jail to another? The last time we had a hearing, apparently you had pleaded true to allegation 11 of the first amended and 13 of the first amended, but we stopped in the middle of that because I did not complete writing on it, because I know how I do I write my initials, date, and true or untrue to the left, and all I put is a true and a duplicate, 2 marks, and then on 11 and 13, and then we ended. So I didn't complete it, which meant something happened. What are we going to do today?
I pleaded the truth.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony that you are about to give during this hearing shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Lower your hand. Can we proceed in summary?
No objection.
Okay. In summary, this state's first amended motion to revoke probation filed on December 18th last year. It states that on November 18th, 2024, in this criminal district court of Jefferson County, Texas, you were sentenced to 2 years in the state jail, probated for 5 years for theft with 2 or more prior convictions, which the theft was less than $2,500, but it becomes a state jail felony if you have 2 or more previous convictions of a state jail or greater. Is all of that true?
Yes.
Allegation 11 again. You failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office on or about December 3rd, 2025 and December 4th, 2025, which is a violation of condition 4 of your probation order, which is to report regularly. Is this true or untrue?
Yes, sir.
True.
True.
11, you failed to provide, 13, you failed to provide verification of successfully completing the moral reclamation therapy program as directed by the probation office. Let me ask you about that. On that moral reclamation, she's placed on probation on November 18th, 2024. On moral reclamation, did they go into that pretty quickly into probation?
It depends. So she'll have to buy her book first, when she pays for the book. And then if they have any room available, then they'll put her in the box.
Let me ask this. There's something that I had noted aside. This number 9 violation, have we gotten a scientific analysis back yet that alleges she had phencyclidine, PCP, which is direct from the devil himself, in provided a urine sample in October of last year, which showed the presence of phencyclidine PCP in her system. Did we ever get a return on that?
No.
Really?
I don't think it was a case that was ever filed with our office, Your Honor. It was just a urine test.
It showed, the scientific showed the, okay, what was the scientific analysis or that was done that showed PCP? I don't know. What did they do?
She took me away in August.
Yes, and then y'all tested through your procedure there?
Dipstick.
Well, it's to prove a violation, it only takes a preponderance of the evidence. What about that? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Say true.
This is number 9. It says you provided a urine sample on or about October 21st, 2025, which showed phencyclidine in your system. And that is true?
Yes, sir.
You're pleading true to allegations 9, 11, and 13 of this first amended motion to revoke probation voluntarily and because those are indeed true? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that a knowingly and voluntarily made plea of true to one or more violations of probation, that's all it takes to grant a motion to revoke probation. In this case, your probation can be revoked and you've already been found guilty. You can be sentenced to no less than 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail.
Yes.
Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
Yes, sir.
I find you are pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true, as I find allegations 9, 11, and 13 to be true. All right. Now what? How much time? I'm looking at 106 days.
Just defer to the courtroom.
This theft, what was this? Can you give me some underlying information about this theft? And is there restitution still out there?
No restitution.
Ma'am?
No restitution.
None. Okay.
Probably was it a shoplifting case? What was it?
Yeah, I don't see,
From 2019.
I see no fine, no restitution.
What were you shoplifting?
What?
What were you?
The makeup to do my mom's funeral makeup.
And they caught you at the door or something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
I'll go to the court.
All right.
That's you. And this is not to excuse it, but she was shoplifting makeup to do another funeral makeup.
I know.
Well, I'm not.
I know, and
Elicit sympathy.
it's just sad all the way around. It's a sad thing all the way around. All right.
Your Honor, I believe it was valued at $39.64.
All right.
Okay.
What do we do?
Yes.
I got a recommendation.
That's whatever I'm trusting.
Okay. She's got 106 days.
Yes,
I'll
Judge.
pray for our request to sentence at the lower end.
State's offer on this is 15 months. I stand behind that. I didn't make the offer and
No, I
I just got that
understand.
case, but that is what the
Yeah, but it's
state's
unagreed.
requesting. It's unagreed, yes, Judge.
When you are released, what are you going to do?
I gotta go have my surgery on March 31st. Go home with my kids, start fresh work and stuff.
UTMB, or you want to get the surgeon?
I was supposed to have it March 31st.
UTMB?
Yeah.
Okay. If nothing further, I'm going to find that there is sufficient evidence supporting this first amended motion to revoke probation to grant it by a preponderance of the evidence or greater, as allegations 9, 11, and 13 of the first amended motion to revoke probation is proven true by a preponderance of the evidence or greater. Thus, your probation is hereby revoked. You are now sentenced to confinement in the state jail for 180 days.
Yes, sir.
You will be given credit for time you've served. And generally, the court does not go on the low end on this under these circumstances, but the documents that the court has concerning the defendant's medical condition are serious, and she needs to get to that soon, to deal with that soon for her well-being and health, which are not the results of any of the allegations that are dealt with in this motion to revoke probation. So it's natural phenomenon, apparently, but you need to take care of it. Anything else? Not that the state's recommendation isn't unreasonable, but I think for humanitarian reasons all the way around and looking at where the loss is here, which is limited in severity, you need to take care of your health and try to live a long life as possible.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
That is all. Okay.
Well, does that mean, 74 days left each? I mean, what exactly is it? When you say that?
The county, you got credit for the time you served, but you got to serve 180 days. But I don't know how the jail calculates
Probably
that.
get admission to jail.
From county jail?
That's in the county jail. You're not going to prison.
Oh, so just finish my time at.
Yeah, they want, I don't think they're going to send you to, I don't think they do.
Weights, laws, and so.
Be eligible for the 20%. So once we get our paperwork sent over there,
She'd get 20% unless she's at the state jail. Then.
well, we'll contact the state jail.
Okay.
And well, I say will. The jail will contact the state jail. They work together really well. So
Okay.